Here's a FASCO Vanity Fair ceiling fan installed in my laundry room. This replaced the Casablanca Cascade. And it's been here for a few months, but I don't really like it here. So it's coming down very soon. So before I take it down, here's a video. So I installed these two recessed cans, but they aren't really cans, but they still are, because they're part of the WACFQ line, which is not a disc, which is really good, but they are still integrated LED, and it's still on this Lutron motion sensor. So let's start with low speed. This fan is mint. There's like 0 scratches. There's 1 chip on the blades, which is insane for the paint on FASCO's blades, because they're usually pretty prone to chipping easily. Here's medium. There's some dust. And high. It's kind of a bad air mover, to be honest. These are not very good fans. Even like, I feel like it's equivalent to one of those turn of the century or like Menards 30-inch huggers. Well, it's definitely not a good air mover, for sure. It's installed on a 10-feet ceiling, so the pull chain's kind of hard to reach. But yeah, that's the fan. Probably gonna replace it with something else, because this fan, I'm not a big fan of FASCOs. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.